In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Business Profile. This tutorial promises to be both insightful and efficiently paced, letting you get your business visible on Google in just about 5 minutes. First and foremost, let's kick things off by navigating to Google's official site for this process. You'll want to head over to Get Your Business on Google. It's a simple first step that gets you on the platform where everything happens. The beauty of Google Business Profile is its capacity to enhance your business's visibility on two of Google's largest platforms, Google Search and Google Maps. This step is nothing but the beginning of improving your business's digital footprint. Once you're there, the next thing you'll do is type in your business name. It's key here to use the precise name your business operates under. Consistency across all platforms helps with recognition and SEO. Now, if you find that your business name doesn't pop up, don't worry. It simply means you're carving out a new space for your business in Google's ecosystem. After you've entered your business name, you'll see an option to click on it if your business is listed. If it's not, as might be the case, you'll continue to establish a new profile. This brings you to a very crucial part of the setup: choosing your business category. This step is vital because it helps Google classify your business and connect it with potential customers searching for the services or products you offer. Take your time to select the most accurate category. It makes a significant difference. Following the category selection, you're going to click Next. This simple action takes you deeper into the setup process, leading you through a series of questions that further delineate the nature of your business. Google asks these questions not to be nosy, but to better understand how to accurately present your business in searches and on maps. Proceed through these questions with as much detail and accuracy as possible. Whether it's selecting additional categories, setting up contact information, or specifying your business location, each answer helps Google's algorithms in positioning your business effectively online. And finally, once you've navigated through all the questions and filled out the necessary details, you'll reach the end of this initial setup journey by clicking Done. This is where you get to breathe a sigh of relief, knowing your business is on its way to better visibility on Google. Remember, setting up your Google Business Profile is just the start. Ensure you regularly update your profile, manage your reviews, and add fresh content to keep your listing engaging and informative. Congratulations! You've just taken a significant step towards enhancing your business's online presence. Keep an eye on your profile and watch how it can transform your business's reach. Thanks for following along, and here's to your business's continued success on Google.